Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make apple suncatchers. Every kit is going to include a cutout of an apple made of construction paper, 2 pieces of contact paper, leaves for the apple made out of construction paper, and tissue paper to make the insides of our apple. The first thing we're going to do is take the contact paper and I'm going to take the sticky side and I'm going to adhere it to the apple. Carefully adhere it to the apple like this. So now it should look like this. So now I'm gonna take this sticky side and I'm going to put the tissue paper down to fill in the apple. Stick the tissue paper to the sticky side of the contact paper, just wherever it looks nice, wherever I'm feeling it. And I'm gonna be using greens and reds because those are apple colors. Okay, so here is my end result, my apple. The next step here is going to be taking our second piece of contact paper and we're going to carefully peel the back off of this and press the sticky side facing down onto our tissue paper very carefully. I boo-booed a little here. But that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut the excess off. So now I have cut off the excess of the contact paper. This is what it looks like from the front and from the back. The next step is I'm going to take a glue stick and the leaves that were provided in my kit and I'm going to glue the leaves to the top of my apple. I'm just going to use a little dab of glue in the corner of my leaf like so and then fix my first leaf on my apple like so, and then I'm going to do the same thing for my second leaf. Alright, and there are my leaves and my apple suncatcher, and you can put it in your window and it'll look very pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and our take and make craft kits will be available at the Youth Services desk at the Bay County Public Library while supplies last.